Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Apple TV Plus on your TV with an activation code, follow these simple steps to start streaming Apple's exclusive original content. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store for your specific TV platform, such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Samsung Smart TV, or LG Smart TV App Store. Step 2. Search for the Apple TV app in your TV's App Store. Download and install the app on your television, then open it once the installation is complete. Step 3. On the Apple TV app home screen, look for the Sign In option or the prompt to activate your device. Select Sign In to continue with the activation process. Step 4. The app will display a unique activation code on your TV screen, usually consisting of 6 to 8 digits or characters. Keep this screen open as you'll need the code for the next steps. Step 5. Using your iPhone, iPad, or computer, open a web browser and go to the Apple TV activation page at activate.apple.com. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Step 6. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. This is the same Apple ID you use for iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the field on the activation website. Type it exactly as displayed, being careful with any capital letters or special characters. Step 8. Click Continue or Submit to complete the activation. Return to your TV, where the Apple TV app should automatically refresh and display your personalized content. You can now access Apple TV Plus and other Apple services on your television. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.